warning for the following counties: San Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for San Bernardino County in Southern California until 2:30 p.m. PDT. 11:24 a.m. PDT, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 0.75 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Big Bear City, Western Onyx Summit, Eastern Lucerne Valley, Big Bear Lake, Baldwin Lake, Highway 38 between Onyx Summit and Sugarloaf, Highway 18 between Baldwin Lake and Lucerne Valley, Highway 38 between Ukiah and Onyx Summit, Western Johnson Valley and Woodlands. Big Bear Lake, Baldwin Lake, Highway 38 between Onyx Summit and Sugarloaf, Highway 18 between Baldwin Lake and Lucerne Valley, Highway 38 between Ukiah and Onyx Summit, Western Johnson Valley and Woodlands.